Identifying fall hazards and deciding how best to protect workers is the first step in reducing or eliminating occupational injuries and fatalities caused by falls. The U.S. Department of Labor lists falls as one of the leading causes of traumatic occupational death, accounting for 35% of total deaths in the construction industry. In 2011, the Bureau of Labor Statistics reported 666 fatal work injuries involving falls, which accounts for 14% of the total number of fatal occupational injuries documented that year. In Canada, falls on construction sites are the leading cause of injuries and fatalities. An estimated 60,000 Canadian workers are injured in fall accidents annually, either on level surfaces or from heights. 40% of these accidents occur from a height where fall protection measures should have been taken but were not. These avoidable falls combine to cost Canadian businesses between $20 and $100 million. And in Latin America, falls in the construction industry account for the greatest number of fatalities. Falls from ladders, lifts, and scaffold often involve a number of factors, including unstable working surfaces, the misuse of fall protection equipment, workers slipping, or being struck by a falling object. While these risks are common to construction in all countries, they are exacerbated by the region's climate, such as heat and humidity, and particularly by the lack of adequate protection and training. This is why it's important to always think about fall protection when you're working at height. Fall protection is defined as the methods used to minimize injury due to fall from heights. ANSI in the United States and CSA in Canada are voluntary compliance boards that set standards for the manufacture of equipment, but they do not make laws. However, OSHA is the national governing body in the United States that makes laws with regard to safety while working at height. And according to OSHA legislation, a worker performing a task at least 4 feet from the surface below him is at risk and needs to be protected. Currently, OSHA requires employers to provide fall protection to employees working at 4 feet in general industry applications, 5 feet in maritime applications, and 6 feet in construction applications. However, regardless of the fall distance, fall protection must be provided when working over dangerous equipment and machinery.